Servus, ciao, como esta? What is up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of my vlog. This episode and the next one are going to be a bit different than past episodes, which focus mostly on our travels. Because of the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, which has forced many businesses to shut down across California and the world, we haven't done any significant traveling since the Reno and Irvine trips. As such, I've run out of travel footage to share with you. So instead, I'll be showing dashcam footage I recorded here in the Bay Area over the past couple of years. We first moved north to the San Francisco Bay Area in late 2014 from San Diego, and we immediately noticed a difference in the driving styles of the motorists here. Driving styles that we never witnessed in 25 years of living in San Diego. In the first 6 months of living here, we nearly got into 4 accidents that could have ended badly, one of which nearly resulted in us being run off the road. I figured it was only a matter of time before something happened and that it would be a good idea to invest in a dash cam. So we did. Thankfully, nothing has happened to us, but 6 years later, I still continue to witness the same bad driving habits as the day we moved here. But now with the dash cam, I'm able to record this footage and share these events with you. As you're watching these videos, I only ask that you keep a couple of things in mind. 1. As you're watching the first segment depicting motorists driving at night without their headlights, keep in mind that the dashcam automatically brightens dark scenes. As such, an evening that appeared dark to me will appear much lighter on camera. 2. When you're watching the segment titled Close Calls and Near Misses, please remember that the dashcam utilizes a wide-angle lens that results in a 140-degree field of view. As such, objects will appear farther away from each other than they really were. It's kind of like the objects in mirror are closer than they appear reminder you see on passenger side mirrors. 3. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And 4. Be sure to recommend this channel to family, friends, customers, patients, strangers in line, at the supermarket, whatever. We're currently at 45 subscribers, and with your help, I believe we can reach 1,000 by the end of the year. That's in 2 weeks. So let's do this. And now, enjoy the video.
Thank you.